Hello my lovelies! Today I am really excited because I ordered something in the mail and it arrived. I'm so itching to rip open this box, so I figured we could do that together. I have ordered two pieces from 24s.com. I have ordered from them a couple of times before and everything has been great, so hopefully it will be today as well. There is a handbag in here. The bag is from a contemporary brand that I've not tried before, so I'm really excited to sort of see the quality of it. This is like the strongest tape. I feel like often when I order things online, the packages are almost like open by the time they get to me, but not here. They always have the cutest boxes. Look at that, isn't that adorable? Let's start with the handbag first because I'm so excited. Comes in a dust bag. Oh, it's such a cute size. I know it's a little bit wild to be this excited before I even seen it, but as you can see, it's from the brand APC. Just a dust bag, no box or anything. Oh, it has that like beautiful leather smell. If you're obsessed with handbags as well, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the Grace bag. It's in the small size. I think there are 3 sizes. Let me take off this plastic. It's so shiny. I love this, and if you're also into handbags like I am, you might notice that this bag looks a lot like some other handbags that are far more expensive. So I have been looking at getting this kind of handbag for such a long time. I need to cut that. And I wanted something in this shape, like square box shape, shiny leather, gold hardware, and I have been looking at the Celine. It's so expensive and I haven't like completely put it out of my mind, but here's my reasoning. I am very scared to spend that amount of money for something that is very shiny and fragile and possibly will scratch very easily, and for me, if I will be afraid of wearing a handbag because I'm so afraid of kind of scratching something of that price range. First of all, I feel like I can't really afford it if I'm that worried about using it. That's just my philosophy. And the second thing is that I find that I really lose my enjoyment for handbags if I'm that worried about actually using them. I'm not saying I won't buy it, but for now I really hope that this can kind of scratch my itch for that kind of bag. I mean, obviously a lot of designers do handbags like this. I really wanted something that would be high quality and have the look, but not necessarily need that like high-end luxury logo to it, if that makes sense. It's very shiny and I definitely see this scratching. But let me take off the rest of the wrapping here. So it closes easily, but like, how do I get it open? Oh, okay, that's really easy. That's nice. I like that a lot. I feel like it looks just like I hoped that it would, just very, very classic. And I have been looking for this kind of bag for a while now. I just love the sort of vintage look of it. I love the square shape because I have a lot of flat bags that are a little bit longer, so I just really love having something that is square like this. I really love the shiny leather of it as well. You can see it's been stored, so the strap is like in that shape. Hopefully that will straighten out with use. I really like how the mechanism sort of opens and closes. I think this is suede leather on the inside, and then the rest of the bag has canvas on the inside. I'm really interested to see what this bag will be like wearing it, because as you can see it's pretty narrow. It does have 3 pockets. It's not that easy to see because it has that very skinny pocket at the front and also the back. I can't really imagine them being very functional for anything whatsoever. I'm probably just going to use this middle pocket here. Definitely something that I don't really have, kind of shockingly enough, because I have a lot of handbags, but a lot of them are either not black, or I have a couple of black handbags with silver or black hardware, and I just find that it's a little bit difficult to match because I do tend to prefer gold hardware for everything else. So I really feel like this is something I would get a lot of use out of. They had so many beautiful colors. It was actually a little bit difficult to choose one. They had a couple of brown colors that I was really close to getting, but I just realized that this is the biggest gap in my wardrobe at the moment. This just black box handbag, and I definitely feel like I made the right choice. I saw that this brand, these handbags do sometimes go on sale, so I felt like it was worth waiting for that. They had a Singles Day sale and it was definitely lasting more than a day, but that meant I got 25% off of this and the other item. So I'm just like inspecting this. The leather feels really nice. Obviously, as I mentioned, it's really soft. The bag feels really stiff. Is this still filled with something? This is so structured. Like, I'm really pushing here. I really love that. I love a stiff, structured handbag. It's much stiffer than I thought it would be, and especially around the base. It's a little bit easier to squeeze here, but like these corners are so stiff. They must be really reinforced. The middle here is like a little bit easier to squeeze. The stitching is looking really good as well, and the glazing. Really only the strap being a little bit misshapen. So the thing that I'm a little bit worried about, but right now I'm feeling like I'm gonna make it work no matter what, is how this is going to fit on me, because I'm a little bit short. So I'm just gonna try it on. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in some footage of me wearing this. So wearing this as a shoulder bag is just, this is exactly the length that I wanted. Oh, it's great. I love that it's sitting kind of like a little bit high up. For some reason, I was really worried it was going to be way too far down. Let's have a look at a crossbody. I mean, I'm so short, I could actually wear it this way. I definitely feel like this is the kind of bag I will wear mostly as a shoulder bag. You can lengthen this, but you only have 2 settings. So this is like the shortest one, and it feels like it's going to be a little bit fiddly trying to get it to that length, if I'm being honest. These studs feel very sturdy, like they feel kind of a little bit stuck where they are. For me, it's not a big deal because I was mostly concerned about wearing it as a shoulder bag anyways, and although it would be a lot more convenient to adjust this strap if it had just a regular buckle and you can just adjust with a few different holes, that way you would also be able to kind of punch new holes if you wanted it longer or shorter. I kind of like that it doesn't have that. It just streamlines the bag a lot more instead of having a strap that is kind of dangling off. I hope you get what I mean. I really love the look of it, but obviously it's not the most practical, especially if you like to kind of switch between a shoulder bag and a crossbody bag. I'm really excited about this one. So far, my first impression is that this is a really cute bag. I'm really excited to start wearing it and to kind of style it a little bit, really get to test it, because obviously I feel like it feels good quality so far. The stitching looks really good, the glazing looks really nice. It doesn't have any scratches yet, but I am very much expecting scratches to happen, but because of the price I'm not going to be like crying when that first scratch happens. If you want, I can definitely report back when I've used it a little bit and see how I get on with it. If you have any experience with this bag or this brand, do let me know. Just so simple. I love how understated it is, and I mean it's very much what is happening right now with the like quiet luxury and all of that. These bags that have very minimal logo and branding are becoming very popular, so I'm probably a little bit influenced by that as well, but I'm so excited to start wearing this. So let me show you the other piece that I bought, and this was included in the like 25% off when you buy over a certain amount, so I felt like I could buy it now and save some money, or I could wait a month and then buy it. I bought this scarf from Jacquemus, and hopefully you can see it. It's their logo scarf, so going from something very minimal and trying to be like low-key, we are going straight to a huge logo. And I definitely love my logo pieces, but I also feel like as a scarf, this is, oh, it's so nice and soft. This is not going to be like as in your face. Oh, it's huge. Okay, this is definitely going to be my winter scarf. I'm getting a little bit warm, so I'm just gonna have to take it off. I looked at this last year and it was sold out all of the time and I couldn't find it anywhere, and I had on like all of the notifications. So when I saw that this was back in stock, I felt like if I'm going to let it get sold out once again, like that's it, I'm just gonna have to give up this scarf. It only has the logo on the one side. It's really nice, like it has a nice density. 100% virgin wool, and it feels really soft. You have that classic fringe, but I just really like the way it kind of makes the edge here a little bit softer with this fringe as well. And a scarf is something I wear every single day throughout winter because it's so cold, so I felt like the cost per wear on this item is going to just go straight down because I will be wearing it so much. I just really loved the very soft tones of the sort of cream and beige together. I thought it was just really beautiful and very sort of in line with monochromatic tones, and like it just goes with all of the lighter colors that I am intending on wearing for winter. Let me know what you think about these pieces. If you've tried any of them, let me know what you think, and I'll see you very shortly in the next video. I'll probably be wearing this.